competition. Back over to Krista and Abe for more presentations.
Wow, what an incredible set of matches. You guys are pretty cool. I want to bring up another cool team that's going to present their project. Do you ever think about what happens to astronauts when they're in space and they can't work out, they can't exercise, they can't walk, they just float all day? So what happens to their muscles? Does anyone know? Well, this team came up with a pretty incredible idea on how to make sure that astronauts in space don't get their muscles weakened when they're up there. So I'd now like to invite up the team out of Ireland to talk about muscle degeneration. And now, I just bring them up on stage. Let's show some love for CD Imreoirí.
Hello, we are the CD Imreoirí from Cork, Ireland. And like William Ford, father of Henry, we have travelled from Cork to Cork and Detroit with a powerful idea. We are Alex,
Sean, Andrew,
Aaliyah,
and together we are the
CD Imreoirí,
Cork,
Ireland.
Woo! So sit back, hold on tight, because the next 4 minutes and 47 seconds we're going to blow your minds.
Whoa. We're going to do what?
Blow their minds to figure of speech.
I get it.
Anyway, as I was saying, we have an innovation that's going to change the face of space exploration.
Body
What?
and body, face and body.
And feet.
And feet, face and body.
Okay. We have an innovation that's going to change the face, body, and feet of space exploration between Earth and Mars.
And back.
What?
And back. We're not going to leave them on Mars, are we?
Right. We have researched and designed an innovation that will benefit all travelers between Earth and Mars and back in ensuring their physical well-being.
We have focused on the problem of physical deterioration in the human body that occurs in the microgravity environment of a space shuttle.
Since October, we've looked at the work of NASA, ISS, and ESA. We've also read the blogs of Dr. Niamh Shaw and Dr. Nora Patton, who are both aiming to be the first Irish person in space. We have also watched many recordings inside the ISS, particularly those of Sonny Williams, Carrie Nyberg, and Doug Wheelock.
We've read books like Beyond the Sky by Dara Breen and The New Universe in Your Hand by Dr. Galford. We've also conducted research into the properties of magnets, the effects of microgravity, and microvibrations.
So our challenge is to find a way of slowing down the negative effects the microgravity has on the body in space, but in a way that will allow space travelers to continue with their daily routines. We believe that this can have benefits for older, sick, or injured people on Earth or on Mars.
According to Dr. Thais Russimano, an expert in space medicine from the PUCRS in Brazil, your body will suffer the following after 180 days in space. Muscle strength reduced by 11 to 17%, muscle endurance reduced by 10%, and bone mineral density reduced by 2 to 7%.
So what is done at present to counteract this? I hear you say.
Each astronaut must spend 2 to 3 hours on the ARED, or Advanced Resistive Exercise Device. This ensures that their bones and muscles don't rapidly deteriorate over time. In a NASA research project in 2017 entitled Sprint, they studied the effects of more intensive training on a less regular basis. We await the results of this research.
And remember, less exercise machines means reduced weight, reduced fuel, and that means more efficiency.
So what about this? What about a way to ensure the body's working continuously through micromuscle vibrations?
Pow!
Now, I can already hear you saying, that is impossible, or that can't be true. Well, weren't the same things said about Galileo, Copernicus, Einstein? And look at them now.
But they're dead.
You know, they're dead now, but like before that.
You mean imprisoned, tortured, and forced out of their country?
That is a very good point, but they are famous now, aren't they?
Yeah, dead, famous.
Great joke, but can we get back to the on-get research, please?
Fine.
Stefan Judex, a biomedical professor from Stony Brook University, has looked at the effects of microvibrations in microgravity. He believes that it should be possible to reduce the intensity of activities using microvibrations to stimulate muscle, nerve, and tact activity.
Our solution is to use natural attraction, repulsion, and oscillation of magnets to cause microvibrations that allow the microcontraction muscles as well as nerve stimulation. This will take the form of magnetic strips attached to the clothing and socks.
We have researched the magnetic strips produced by the German company Supermagnet. Their strips, made from strontium, ferrite, and neodymium, are light, flexible, and can limit the strength of the attraction and repulsion.
But in the robust environment of space, the fertility of the neodymium would be actively working against us, so we've decided to go with the stronger ferrite for its strength and resistance to extreme temperatures.
So what about this? What about the engineering of microchip clothes with magnetic capabilities so the clothing themselves could create micromuscle vibrations?
Microchip clothes can monitor your heart rate and blood pressure.
In our discussions with Dr. Finbar Waldron, Head of R&D in the ESA Space Solutions Centre, the current technology could be adapted to this purpose.
And because our innovation has a space spin-off, the manager of ESA Space Solutions Centre, David Gibbons, was able to indicate both cost and time to us.
You might have to explain space spin-off to them.
Oh, sorry. Space spin-off is when the technology has practical application on Earth as well. For example, to physically help the sick, elderly, or victims of brain damage, even for someone to sit around and listen to presentations all day.
The cycle from concept to qualification would take 10 years. During this time, we would receive 50 to 100,000 from the ESA, then a further $500,000 to develop it through the tendering process that identifies an R&D company, and finally a further 2 to 300,000 for project completion.
We have presented the idea with multiple interested audiences, including Sumer Gar Science 2 Life,
Roghnaíodh, TD,
Dr. Emmanuel Popovici,
Dr. Dennis Ring,
Professor Liam Mernan,
Qualcomm engineers,
Vince Lawton, Samina,
Councillor Mick Finn, Lord Mayor of Cork.
but most importantly with David Gibbons, Finbar Waldron, Dr. Cian Mahuna, and Alida Zoyer from the ESA Space Solutions Centre, Tinta Institute, Cork.
400 million kilometers, see you later.
Will a body survive? Will a body survive? The sun changed the stratosphere, Mars, our destination is getting near ya.
I can't get used to this.
With CD
Imreoirí, the problem's clear. Can we get you to Mars feeling fit?
With our micro vibrations working your body, our clothing will be a space hit. But we'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, enjoying the trip, it's such fun. Whoa, with our micro vibrations and magnetic oscillations, you'll reach your destination. Whoa.
Detroit, the Eagle has landed.
Thank you, CD Imreoirí. All right, that was another great presentation. Thank you all again for being here, and we're going to throw it over to